Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm joined by Simone Marzi. He is the Sales Manager for the Pharma Division of Universal Pack. Simone, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
We're excited to have you in the studio today because we're talking about overcoming the challenges of working with more sustainable materials.
Yep.
I'm really interested in this topic. I can't wait to learn from you. Before we get into the topic, though, could you tell us a little bit about Universal Pack?
Yes. Universal Pack is a company leader in the field of sachet and stick pack machine and cartoning system. We are located in Italy, in the center of Italy, on the seaside, beautiful place, near Rimini. We are a company of 200 employees, and as said, we produce a sachet and stick pack machine for powder, liquid, tablets, and object. The main field that we cover are pharma and food, even if we work also in cosmetic and chemical sector.
Great. All right, so let's get into the topic. Sustainability is such an important topic now, particularly with variety of customers where it's on their minds. What are some of the challenges that using more sustainable materials can have on operating machinery?
Well, the new material generation is gives us a lot of challenge that we have taken inside in our factory together with a lot of tests in order to evaluate the performance achievable. The first goal was to design specific solution in order to maintain a very high accurateness of the temperature and pressure of the sealing unit, because this material, differently from other kind of material used until now, are very sensitive, and so they require a specific solution to work in an efficient way.
So I'm really curious to understand how they're sensitive. Why are these sustainable materials more sensitive? Why is this the case? And I mean, what are some of the problems caused by having machines that can't handle these types of materials very well?
Well, the most big difficulty is due to the fact that all the material were made from 2 layers or 3 layers with different layers, different material. So the melting point and was completely different between the layers. So it was possible to work with very high temperature on the outside of the laminate, melting the internal side in order to create the seal. Now the new generation, being made from 1 or 2 material, but almost with the same melting point, require a very high accurateness of the temperature. And this is can be achieved thanks to specific solution that we have developed during the last years.
That's really great detail. So how can using machinery that can incorporate these more sustainable materials benefit overall operational efficiency?
Well, in the reality is not. The reality is not that is increasing efficiency. The goal is to keep the same efficiency that we were achieving with the old material, because for sure they cannot bring any advantage, but they bring some challenge that thanks to our approach and thanks to our technical solution, we are able to maintain and keep the original OEE, so efficiency of the machine, also with the new generation material.
That's so important to understand. Okay. What role do you see sustainable materials playing in the future of the industry, and why is it important for manufacturers to make this a priority now?
It's not if, but when, because it's mandatory for all of us to achieve this goal. So to give the possibility to future generation to have a sustainable environment, and also, considering that we produce monodose sachet and stick pack that create waste. So thanks to this new material, the waste created will be compostable or anyway recyclable. So this will reduce the impact on the environment, and will allow to achieve this important goal that will be to have a green world in the future.
Simone, thank you so much for joining us in the studio today.
Thank you to invite me. It's been really a pleasure.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about sustainable solutions, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.